In the heart of urban environments, microbes are evolving in surprising ways. New research reveals that the very cleaning agents we use to eliminate them may be driving their adaptation, making them tougher than ever before. A study published in Microbiome has uncovered previously unknown strains of microbes thriving in city settings, including one found in Hong Kong that was only known to exist in the Antarctic desert soil. These microbes are learning to survive in the nutrient-poor conditions of urban areas, turning everyday cleaning products into their fuel. Researchers collected samples from subways, homes, public spaces, and even human skin in Hong Kong. By analyzing their genomes, the team discovered that some of these microbes have developed the ability to break down chemicals found in disinfectants and other manufactured products. One strain, previously found in Antarctica, can metabolize ammonium ions from cleaning products, giving it a unique edge in the urban jungle. This discovery highlights a potential health risk. Microbes that can outcompete non-resistant strains may evolve further and pose a danger, especially in clinical settings. Hospitals, often hotbeds for infections, are seeing the rise of resistant strains that could complicate infection control and put patients at risk. Interestingly, not all these microbes are harmful. The study also found strains of bacteria with potential benefits. One type, Bacteria, discovered on human skin, contains genes that help produce carotenoids and ubiquinone, compounds important for human health. This suggests that some microbes might have a mutualistic relationship with their human hosts. The research team is now diving deeper into how microbes evolve resistance in high-stress environments like intensive care units. Their goal: to improve infection control and ensure safer clinical environments for both healthcare workers and patients. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for further notification.